CBs. Hey guys, is your lawn tractor doing this when you try to start it? Yeah, mine too. Let me show you how to fix it. Well, the problem lies right here, your starter. Specifically the teeth on your starter, which is right here. If you look right here, you can see the teeth are completely worn down in here. They're supposed to come out all the way out to here, but they've ground down. You see these teeth right here are supposed to slide up and grab this flywheel, which spins your engine over and gets it to start. But since they're so ground down, it can't spin the flywheel and it's just making that squealing noise. So here's what to do. Now the first thing you want to do is disconnect your negative cable to your battery to make sure no power is going to the starter. Or if you're like me, you already have a cutoff switch wired in, so go ahead and turn that, cut off power. Now these will typically have a plastic cover on there, so go ahead and remove those screws and take the cover off. Now you should have a positive lead going to the bottom of your starter. Go ahead and disconnect that. And there should also be at least 2 bolts that hold the starter onto the side of the motor. Right here, I have 2 Torx bolts, one here and one under here. Go ahead and pop those 2 bad boys off, and this guy is out of here. Now, this old Craftsman has a 15-horse Briggs & Stratton engine. I was able to find a direct replacement on eBay for 30 bucks. Now, note the difference between these 2 starters. This one has plastic teeth that worn down after 2 years, and this one's got metal teeth, which hopefully will never wear down. Now, installation is basically just reverse process. Go ahead and throw those 2 main bolts back on that hold this onto the motor. And make sure both these bolts are really tight. You don't want this guy vibrating off. And make sure you connect your power supply. And then you can pop that plastic cover back on. All right, new starter's on. Let's see what happens. Well, there you go, guys. If your mower is squealing when you try to start it, you likely have to replace the starter. Thank you guys for watching.